Lo and behold, and listen with wide open your ears. It's not just a journey, but a transformation done in years, where people live and enjoy without any fears. We are here celebrating UAE's 50 years, a place where the rulers are envisioned caring and pure, and they transformed this country right from its core. The vision, belief and thoughts of the father of nation Sheikh Zayed, which are carried on by His Highnesses Sheikh Khalifa and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. The place which is a home to 200 nationalities. Yes, this is a fact and there are no abnormalities. Meet people here from Middle East, Pakistan, Philippines, Bangladesh and India, and also from Africa, Europe, America and Australia. Whether it be day or night, women and children can freely roam. Residents are proud to say that UAE is our second home. Embedded in the culture are the beliefs of harmony and tolerance, and that's the reason there are opportunities in abundance, where growth is derived through consistency, love and innovation, where you are not judged based on your ethnicity or religion. When you give your sweat, you get gold in return. This is the place where dreams are earned. Witness the revolution from Abu Dhabi to Ras Al Khaimah, and also set your eyes to the beauty of Fujairah. Not only that, here is the tallest building in Dubai. How can you miss the beauty of Ain Dubai? You will be amazed when you witness the skyscrapers. Yes, it's all in actual, not just in papers. Here is the best infrastructure, buildings and roads. Don't go anywhere, you can ride also here in boats. Nothing in this country is impossible, difficult or far. A dedicated vision together with innovation will make you a star. From around the world, eat vegetables, sweets and fruits, and drive the best cars you think your personality suits. Where the ambitions fly high as a falcon, where your growth is determined by your action. The safest place to be, enjoy and live. You can be a winner here if you work hard and believe. Wanna see luxury police cars? You have come to the right place. And that's not it. Emiratis have been even to the space. For entertainment, there are beaches, parks, concerts, sports and more so. Mate, this is the very land which is the host of 2020 Expo. Artists, scientists, doctors and so much of talent showcasing. Want a golden visa? You just have to be outstanding. The way pandemic was handled was just instrumental, where the efforts from authorities and frontline workers was phenomenal. Visas, permits, tenancy or grocery. Don't bother to fall in line. This is UAE's fellas. Here everything is online. Thank you UAE for all the love and blessings given by you. Thank you UAE for allowing us to be a part of you. Written by Abdul Mueed, and you are the addressee. This is the tribute by me to the loving nation of the UAE.